name is Kenneth. I'm the CEO and founder of New Credit. We are a trade finance marketplace connect SMEs with global lenders. As you probably know that there are over 80% of the global trade depends on trade finance. However, the SMEs are not included, and that caused over $5.7 trillion global trade finance gap. And this is the number rejected by the traditional banks in the world. Let's take a look at the example here. There is a European SMEs manufacturing candies receive a large order from Japan, and it takes about 120 days to get all the stuff done for the transactions. And usually they will need to go, the exporter will need to go to the local banks in Europe for apply for working capital, but for most of the time they just get rejected because the banks just don't understand the overseas counterparts credit risk in Japan, and they don't have meaningful financial data and collateral to be considered by the banks. But we can't blame the banks because the SMEs are all the time scamming the banks, and since 2016 there were already $2 billion being written off by the tier 1 banks across the world, and there was a company called Springfield Capital in London collapsed earlier this year, which caused half of the transaction were completely fake, created without nowhere. And the lenders usually just see just the tips of the iceberg in terms of financial data and credit bureau data, and there are a lot of untapped data that still being disconnected, and the debt collection process are pretty complex, and usually you don't get anything back if there was a defaulting case happening in another country. So we offer our solution as a trusted deal flow management platform for lenders to unlock the SMEs trade finance market. We already work with lenders from Asia, Europe, US, and we're planning to offer our crypto lending services by 2022 Q1 by working with over 500 plus crypto exchanges in Europe. And we also offer us a solution for blockchain verification system so that the lenders can verify the documents submitted as an application from the SMEs and store on the blockchain and being transparent. And also there is another solution that is offering to the lenders for integrated credit data analytics portal, so that the lenders can basically make underwriting transactions through this data that we're feeding to them. And we make money on two ways. The first one is the interest premium that we are taking and as a broker, and also we are charging SaaS product fees for the data that the lenders are consuming. And the market is actually quite huge. It's like about $5.7 trillion with the growth rate 30% year on year. And we're covering account receivables, account payable, and asset leasing. And we are the only one platform here to address the three problems, which is eliminate fraud risk, providing accurate risk assessment, and also offer crypto lending, but only available for European businesses. And we love to work with e-commerce sellers, and these are the customers that we've been working with, like they are selling stuff on these kind of e-commerce platforms. And we already funded over $80 million in partnership with our lenders, and we are earning $74,000 in a month in September. And these are the world-class infrastructure partners that we've been working with. And we already raised $2 million from Qatar, Japan, and Hong Kong investor. And we also own a European payment license as well as the Hong Kong money exchange license, and we are planning to apply for the FCA and the CSSF crypto asset business license in the UK and Luxembourg. We're also offering some other services including payment, credit insurance, advertisement, inspection services, and logistics. We have a team of over 30 people across 4 offices, and all of us have experience in tier 1 banking institutions and #1 e-commerce platforms in the world. We are offering our business finance solution without borders as a platform. This is our vision, and we are raising $2 million from the lead investor, and there are some other co-investors in the platform will be investing in the same time. That's it. Thank you so much.